Hello. I, Albus Percival Wolvert Brian Dumbledore, finally admit that I am actually a puppet. A sad puppet, lost and alone. But now my master's letting me spend time outside! Yeah! Oh. Now let's explore some nature, kids. Oh, look, it's a stick. Oh, is that a wand? Let's try to pick it up. Oh. My hands are stuck in the same position. Ah, I got it! I think this is holly and phoenix feather. Avada Kedavra! Oh, I dropped it. Let's explore some more, like this giant setsy thing. Whoa! Look at me! Ah! Oh, well, that's kind of weird. Well, this may be the only video where my house doesn't collapse on me. These are really good creators, so you should subscribe to them. I'm just saying. Oh yes, and my puppet master, his username is TheBrownFan5. He hasn't done any YouTube videos with me yet. He just has like boring walkthroughs and stuff, and some stupid videos that his brothers posted, like the tackle door and the bad bed. And well, you should actually also look at Scarletinify. He has the best videos. Not as good as the Pulsive Puppet Pals, but trying to get there. And well, you should just subscribe to them or favorite them or something. Cause let's just explore some more nature. It's kind of spot. You're getting me right, aren't you, Travis?
What?
You're getting me, aren't you, Travis?
Yeah.
Good. Why does this matter? Ow! Ah! Let's try again. Ah! Oh, help me! Oh! Yes! Ah! Ow! Ah. I'm up here. Time to go down the slide.
Careful, there's ants up there.
Oh God!
And
Okay,
you're standing
down the slide.
on them.
I am a little tangled up. I got a little broken in that process. Oh, I'm all cruddy and wet. I'm done for. Please don't expect to see me again.